D. Today I'm going to be unboxing my order from a small business. Wow, it's been a while since I was in front of the camera. And I wanted to say I got some candy. You know, I think I would learn to be more prepared for these things, but I'm not. Yes. This is from Dark Fox Darling. Mandy is her name, or their name. I love the little notes. And some extras, I got a tea bag. These. And some candies. I'm really excited about these pieces. Look. I love snakes. But yeah, so far. Ooh, I love these. Oh, and I got some, I love animal bones, so I believe these are coyote bones. But here's these. And then I got another, these are my favorite. Yes. So I got 4 pairs of earrings from Dark Fox Darling. I'll link the Etsy below and their Twitter handle and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is my order. This is from one small business. So I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I've been busy. But I'm hoping to be more consistent and grow my channel. But thanks for watching, and I definitely recommend this small business. Their products are beautiful and handmade, and yeah, I love these. I don't know which ones are my favorite. I can't pick. They're all my favorite. But yeah, thank you so much, Mandy. I definitely love you and your products. And yeah, so hopefully there'll be more unboxing videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.